Hello everyone. So if you have followed the previous tutorials so far, you have already completed most of the details for creating a course. There is only one step left, which is adding videos to your course. In this video you'll be shown how you can do that easily. So you can see that you can now start adding content to your course, and it says module 1. What are modules? Modules are basically subtopics about your chapter. Let's say I'm creating a course on nouns, so one module could be definition of noun, one module could be types of nouns, which will have separate videos for common noun, proper noun, etc. If you are creating a course for a skill, you can also choose these modules, decide on these modules, which will be a collection of videos. So if you go through a book, they usually have different chapters, and within those chapters there are headings under which different topics of that chapter are covered. So these different headings are what these modules are. Since I am creating a course on nouns, the first module I would like to have is definition of nouns. Submit. As soon as I do, my first module name is updated. If you already know other subheadings of your course, you should go ahead and add new modules as well. For example, I will add types of nouns as another module. Now I have two modules, and you can go ahead and create more modules like this. But the most important part is to add videos to my course, right? So it says here add video URL. What is this? So if you already know which YouTube videos, we have made the course creation process super simple, and if you want to create new videos of your own when teaching, you can go ahead, go to YouTube and create your own videos here. If not, you can also upload existing videos of which are present on YouTube, because YouTube has all the knowledge of the world. If you want to learn anything, YouTube probably has really good content for all of those topics. So we have decided that it would be much easier for teachers to actually find the most relevant videos from YouTube, or create their own videos and upload it on YouTube, which is a publicly accessible platform. And then you can add these video URLs here. Let's say I want to search for videos on YouTube, we can do it directly from here. So I'll click on search and type definition of noun, because that is the first video that I want my kids to see. As soon as I press on search, it will load a lot of videos from YouTube. What is noun? Definition of noun. Let's see if this is a good video which my students would want to see.
What is noun? Definition
So
of noun.
in this video, this guy is actually explaining using text. I don't like this video very much. Let me check if there are, okay, this looks like something about images and animations, so I'll go ahead and click on this.
Noun. Everything that we see around us.
Wow, so in this video they have used animations and are speaking very slowly, so I like this video. You should watch different videos to find out which is the best video, and then I click on copy link. As soon as I do, you see the YouTube link is copied and pasted here. If I press on fetch, video added successfully. So inside my course, under the module definition of nouns, now I have one video right here. Let me add another video where I will also mention some examples of noun, because once we have defined the noun, we also need to give some examples so that students can relate to it. So I'll press on search again and type examples of noun and press this search button. As soon as I do, new video results will come. Okay, nouns, types of nouns. This video seems like a good video. I'll open it and see what it is about.
Noun is the name, स्थान, जगह, किसी जानवर, bird.
Okay, so it is speaking very slowly, which would be very helpful for my students. Let's see if it also.
So, for example, when we're talking about person, the first figure is a father.
Okay.
Even add on market.
Great. So they are using a lot of examples. We all know that noun is a name of animal, place, thing, etc. And they are using examples for each one of those, which is superb. So I'll copy this link again and press on fetch. Great, another video has been added. Wow, so under definition of nouns we have 2 videos, and then we have types of nouns, and we can continue adding these videos. But for now I'll press on next to see, now that my course content is also added, what does my course look like. As soon as I press enter, you see my course has been created. Its name is here, Learn Nouns in a Practical Way. It also mentions that it is inside class 4 English grammar. My description is also here, and students can now start enrolling in this course, which is superb. What you can find in this course, we have the module, definition of nouns, types of nouns, and I can continue adding videos here. Awesome. Great, so my course has already been created, and this is exactly what we wanted. We are done. Thanks a lot for joining.